Good morning, all of you students. Okay. The next point is the competitive electron transfer reaction. Competitive electron transfer reaction, it is an experimental method of electron transfer reaction. Experimental method. In NCERT books, there are three experiments for competitive electron transfer reaction, and the result of experiment is different. Result of experiment is different. First experimental reaction is, this is tank, and this tank contains this is tank, and this tank contains copper nitrate solution. This tank contains copper nitrate solution, and this is zinc rod. This is zinc rod. The zinc rod dipped in copper nitrate solutions. In first observation, this copper is reducible. Copper is reducible with zinc. Reduction reaction take place. This is intermediate stage. This is intermediate stage. Intermediate stage. This is reducible. This is intermediate stage, and the final stage of the reaction is this is last and final stage of reaction. This stage is intermediate stage. In this position, the copper nitrate, that is this is final stage, Cu2 plus deposit on zinc. Cu2 plus deposited on zinc. In this position, the blue color dissolved. This is blue color solution, and this solution blue color disappear. Blue color disappear. In this experiment, the redox reaction between zinc rod and copper nitrate solution. Redox reaction between zinc rod and copper nitrate solutions occurs. This reaction occurs in a glass beaker. This reaction occurs in a glass beaker. This is copper nitrate solution. This solution, color of this solution is a blue color. Color of solution is a blue color, but zinc rod is a different solution. Actually, this is intermediate. The strip of metallic zinc is dipped in aqueous solutions of copper nitrate for 1 hour. Then you may notice that this strip becomes coated with reddish metallic copper. This strip becomes coated with reddish metallic copper, and blue color of solutions disappears. So after some time, the blue color of solutions disappear. So the reaction is Zn plus Cu2 plus. Zn plus Cu2 plus, that is Zn2 plus Cu. In this position, zinc by loss 2 electron. In this position, zinc by loss 2 electron, and second factor is a copper. Gain 2 electron. Zinc loss 2 electron and copper gain 2 electrons. This reaction show that this experiment is a redox reaction experiment. But sometime H2 gas at the last H2 gas is passed through this solution. At the last stage, H2 gas is passed through the solutions. The colorless solution containing zinc plus 2 ions appearance of white zinc sulfate. This last condition, white zinc sulfide is formed by passing H2S gas. H2S gas means hydrogen sulfides gas. By passing these solutions, last solutions, that is the final stage solutions, it gives white zinc sulfides. And this readiness can be seen to making the alkaline with ammonia. This reaction between this readiness is found, and this readiness can be seen on making the solution these solutions alkaline with ammonia. These solutions alkaline with ammonia. At this stage, redox reaction is found. Final result of these reactions. First, the solution is blue color. Then last solution is without blue color. That is blue color is this appears. In this position, in this experiment, zinc lost by 2 electrons and copper gained by 2 electrons. That is, oxidation and reduction take place simultaneously. And this experiment show that this reaction is a redox reaction. This reaction is a redox reaction. Again, next experiment. Experiment number 2. Experiment number 2. Now, the second method is when copper rod is dipped in silver nitrate solution. This is Cu rod. This is experiment number 2. Cu rod dipped in silver nitrate solution. And blue color starts developing. Then this stage is intermediate stage. This stage is intermediate stage. Third step is intensity of blue color increases. This is third stage. Intensity of blue color increases. Silver deposited at the rod. In this experiment, take a beaker. In this beaker, take a solution of silver nitrate solutions and Cu rod dipped in it. First, the starting reaction, blue color starts developing, and this is the intermediate stage. But intensity of blue color solution increases the silver deposited at the bottom. This is the final stage of the reaction. What is the redox reaction take place in this experiment? That is Cu plus twice Ag plus, that is Cu2 plus twice Ag. In this position, this Cu by loss of 2 electron, that is oxidation take place. In this position, Ag gain of 2 electron, that is reduction take place. Oxidation and reduction take place simultaneously, that is called as a redox reaction. This is a redox reaction. So these solutions develop blue color due to the formation of Cu plus 2 ions. Cu plus 2 ions of the reaction. This solutions. First stage not blue color, but intensity of blue color is increases at the last stage. And this reaction is a redox reaction. Okay. The last point of the experiment is the reaction between metallic cobalt. Reaction between metallic cobalt and nickel sulfide. Reaction between metallic cobalt and nickel sulfide. The solutions of nickel sulfide. In this reaction, cobalt and nickel interact with each other and induce cobalt 2 plus and nickel. This is oxidation. This is oxidation and this is reduction. This is oxidation and this is reduction. Oxidation and reduction take place in this reaction. In this experiment, nickel plus 2 and cobalt plus 2 are present at moderate rate. Nickel plus 2 and cobalt plus 2 present at moderate rate. That is moderate concentrations. In this case, neither the reactant nor the product are generally favored. Neither the reactant nor the product are generally favored. This reaction is a moderate concentration reaction. This reaction is a moderate concentration reaction. Redox reaction takes place in this reaction. But actually, note electron releasing tendency of the metal. Electron releasing tendency of the metal is first is zinc, then copper, then Ag. And this series is known as electrochemical series. This series is known as electrochemical series. Activity series, metal activity series. Zinc first, then Cu, then Ag. The reactivity of metals in this position. Last experiment is strips of metallic Cu in presence of zinc sulfate solution. But in these solutions, strips of metallic Cu and zinc sulfate solution. In these solutions, no visible reaction take place. And lastly, black colored cupric sulfide is a producer. So this reaction, that is the strips of Cu and Zn SO4, ZnSO4, that is zinc sulfate. In this reaction, no visible reaction take place. No visible reaction take place. No visible reaction take place. But finally, last the black colored sulfide, black colored cupric sulfide, CuSO4, cupric sulfide is formed. Cupric sulfide is formed. Finally, black colored cupric sulfide is formed. This is the result of this reaction. First two reactions are most important reactions for examination. That is color, redox reaction. Is the most important points of this topic. Okay, this point is finished. We will see the next point in next video. Thank you.